dare ye? Slay the king lives!
Wait, really? Yeah.
I know. I just had a dream about this last night, where you all, were singing this song.
Really? How'd it go?
A little something like this.
If I was king for a day, I wouldn't know what to say. I'll tell you what I would do. It's a pitiful thing, never taking the win, no matter what you go through. But with that all behind me, like this boomerang that I threw, get all the contestants who love me and respect me like friends do.
If I was king for a day, I would throw a party with everyone that I knew. Show them the thing that we made, hijinks and jokes on display. Have fun, that's just what friends do. And I've worked so hard to keep this shit together. I've come too far to lose regard, hoping this second chance is better.
If I was king for a day, again you know what I'd say. Restaurant/avian zoo, red talons, feathered buffet, crow folk in aprons all day, all fighting over your food.
If I had a chance, I could show them
A friend meeting dance.
And when I step back in that ring, I'll slay the king.
You know, you guys have such beautiful dreams.
I don't like you. You sent me to the Shadow Realm.
I forgot about that.
Don't you know the past will bring you down?